100 completely free GitHub repos. No budget, no team, no excuses. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to build an app, a game, or a website for free. Organized into 5 categories: starter templates, backend and auth, UI kits, game dev, and AI tools. Full-stack Next.js starter, auth, and database baked in. Pre-built components you can copy-paste into any React app. Fastest way to spin up a content site or blog. Free backend with auth, database, and storage in minutes. A full e-commerce store you can fork and rebrand. Great for apps that need fast page loads. Lighter alternative to React if you want speed. Python devs, auth and admin panel out of the box. PHP starter with login and registration pre-built. Skip config hell, start coding your frontend immediately. Free Postgres database plus instant APIs. Self-hosted Firebase alternative, totally free. One file, full backend, insanely underrated. Drop-in authentication, looks professional instantly. Free auth for any Next.js app. Turns your database into a GraphQL API instantly. Google's Backend as a Service, generous free limits. Turn any SQL database into a headless CMS. Free workflow automation, replace Zapier. Open source headless CMS for content-driven apps. Every single one of these is copy, paste, ship. No design skills required. Completely free, no royalties, ever. Full playable games you can dissect and learn from. Thousands of free sprites and 3D assets. Best free engine for browser games. Free 3D engine that runs in the browser. Real shipped games with public source code. Free Java game framework, cross-platform. Free art, music, and sound effects. Fast-growing free Rust game engine. A community-curated list of every free Unity asset worth grabbing. Run AI models on your own laptop, free. No-code local AI model runner. Free autonomous AI agent framework. The most popular framework for chaining AI tasks together. Connects your own data to AI models for free. Free ChatGPT-style interface for local models. Free, fast transcription, runs offline. Generate images for free on your own machine. Node-based image generation, total control. The library, basically every free AI tool, is built on. But if I had to pick just one repo that replaces almost everything on this list, it's free for dev. It's a single GitHub repo that lists free tiers for hosting, databases, monitoring, email, everything. Bookmark it. That's your whole tech stack, for free. Every repo in this video is in the pinned comment, organized by category. If you want the 100 Claude skills in 3 minutes version of this, that's dropping next. Subscribe so you don't miss it.